Hello guys, this is CodeNCode and this is video editorial for the problem Weather Observation Station 1. This is kind of second exercise from second lecture of MySQL SDL course. Okay, so we have just learned how you can select data from table and we are going to apply that knowledge here. So the problem statement is pretty simple. It asks you to query a list of city and state from the station table. This is the station table. And what are the fields in the station table? ID, city, state, uh, latitude, and longitude. Okay. So these are the fields, out of which we are only asked to retrieve city and state. Only these two fields, city and state. Okay, not all states. So we already know how we can do that. First of all, let's change the dialect to MySQL. So since we have to perform select, so we'll write select. Then we need to select only two things. What? City and state. So right, city and state. Right, these two fields we have to select, but from which table? So from which table? It is, I guess, station table. Yeah, station. So write the name of the table, station table. That's it. We have to select these two things from station table. As simple as that. So if we run the code, yeah, it passes. So let's go ahead and submit it. Most likely we'll get an AC here because this is just that simple problem. Okay. But again, it is very important for us to solve this problem because we have just learned how you can perform select operation, right? So yeah, and the best way to learn is to practice. That's what we are doing here. So successfully, we are able to solve this problem. Okay, using the select statement that we have learned in the second lecture of MySQL SDL course. So yeah, this is it for this lecture. Till the next video drops, keep coding. Thank you.